Before a tree becomes a bonsai, there's a moment of stillness, a choice, not of speed, but of direction. In every bonsai lies a universe, a miniature tree shaped by human hands, yet guided by nature's wisdom. For beginners, the journey begins with choosing a style, a form that reflects not only the tree's character, but your own spirit. This first choice becomes the foundation upon which patience, balance, and understanding quietly grow. Today we explore 5 timeless bonsai styles, each a doorway into meditation, artistry, and tradition. The formal upright Chokkan is the purest expression of balance. Its trunk rises straight, branches evenly spaced, tapering toward the crown. It is the bonsai of discipline, of order, of harmony. Beginners often find comfort here, for Chokkan teaches patience. Each branch is placed with intention, each leaf a reminder of stability. In Japanese tradition, Shakan symbolizes resilience, the tree that withstands storms yet never bends. To cultivate Shakan is to cultivate inner strength. Through its unwavering form, Chokkan invites the beginner to grow steadily, rooted in calm and clarity. For those just beginning, Chokkan offers a quiet lesson. Strong foundations create lasting beauty. Moyogi, the informal upright, flows like a river. Its trunk curves gently, never rigid, always alive. Beginners are drawn to Moyogi because it feels natural, forgiving. The tree bends, yet it does not break. It reminds us that life is not a straight path. It twists, it turns, it surprises. Moyogi is the bonsai of freedom, of creativity. In its curves, we see the dance of wind, the rhythm of water, the poetry of imperfection. To shape Moyogi is to embrace life's unpredictability. For beginners, Moyogi offers permission to explore without fear of mistakes. Each curve becomes a decision guided by feeling as much as technique. In learning Moyogi, one discovers that beauty often emerges from adaptation rather than control. Moyogi teaches the beginner that growth is not about perfection, but about moving forward with grace. Shakan, the slanting style, leans with the wind. Its trunk angles sharply, roots gripping the soil with determination. Beginners who choose Shakan learn resilience, the art of balance in asymmetry. The tree appears vulnerable, yet it is strong. It teaches us that leaning does not mean falling, that struggle can be beautiful. In meditation, Shakan whispers, even when life pushes us sideways, we can still grow toward the light. To shape Shakan is to honor endurance. In its angled stance, Shakan reminds us that resilience is not resistance, but the courage to adapt and continue growing. Kengai, the Cascade, defies gravity. Its branches spill downward like waterfalls from a cliff. Beginners who attempt Kengai discover drama, movement, and boldness. It is not easy. The Cascade requires vision, patience, and courage. Yet it rewards with beauty that feels alive, dynamic, eternal. In Japanese gardens, Kengai echoes mountain streams, the flow of nature unbound. To shape Kengai is to surrender control, to let the tree remind us that even in descent, there is grace. Kengai teaches the beginner to trust the process, even when the path flows downward instead of up. Every cascading branch becomes a lesson in balance, held delicately between tension and release. In embracing Kengai, one learns that strength can hang freely, carried by motion rather than force. Sekijoju, root over rock, is the bonsai of endurance. Its roots embrace stone, gripping tightly, rising above hardship. Beginners who choose Sekijoju learn that strength comes from struggle. The rock is not an obstacle, it is a foundation. The tree and stone become one, a union of resilience and harmony. In meditation, Sekijoju speaks of perseverance, that even when life is hard, we can grow, we can thrive, we can rise. To shape Sekijoju is to honor the bond between earth and spirit. Each exposed root tells a quiet story of survival, shaped by time and patience. For the beginner, Sekijoju offers reassurance that slow progress is still progress. As roots descend and branches ascend, the tree reveals a powerful truth. Growth is born where resistance is met with resolve. In the stillness of stone, Sekijoju teaches us to anchor ourselves deeply so we may reach higher with confidence. In its quiet strength, Sekijoju reminds us that even the hardest ground can give rise to profound beauty. 5 styles, 5 lessons. Chokkan teaches balance. Moyogi teaches freedom. Shakan teaches resilience. Kengai teaches grace and descent. Sekijoju teaches endurance. For beginners, choosing a bonsai style is more than selecting a form. It is choosing a philosophy, a way of seeing the world. Which style speaks to you? Which tree will guide your journey? In bonsai, we do not simply shape trees, we shape ourselves. May your bonsai bring you peace, patience, and renewal. The journey of bonsai is a journey of patience, presence, and care. Each tree, each branch, each root holds a lesson waiting to be discovered. Whether upright, flowing, cascading, or clinging to stone, every bonsai reflects the effort and intention you put into it. Now it's your turn to take the first step. Begin today. Pick a style, nurture a tree, and discover the quiet joy of growth. Share your journey and let the art of bonsai inspire others as it inspires you. A quiet ending and a new beginning. Your bonsai journey starts now.